edges this time, okay, you guys? Just on the outside edges. This is where if you wanted to punch holes, probably before you put your adhesives on, you could go like this. I actually made myself a little template here. Set it on there and go ahead and punch your holes before you've got it together. Okay, so if you want to do that, I made this 4 inches and then I punched the holes in at the beginning of 1 inch so that they're 1 inch so that they would be even. I'm not going to go ahead and do that with this one just to save time. So now this is the front, so this is going to be the back, right? So it's going to fit inside here. So for this one, I am going to put the adhesives, because when I put it on there, the adhesives are going to, this adhesive is going to go here, right? So I want the adhesives on the outside. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and use my liquid glue. I'm okay with that for this one, just to get it to stay. You can use your tear and tape if you want to. Now, I'm going to start by folding this one in to make the base and that one in. All right, so now I've got that. Now you're going to want to remove all of your transfers off of your tear and tape for the next part. Okay, and this is where you're going to want to be a little bit more careful if you're using something strong like tear and tape, because you do not want it to stick where you do not want it to stick, right? So now you're going to put this in here. If you need to, I definitely would recommend that you put something inside to give it some strength, just to hold it. So I'm going to put a little stamp pad in there. It's not very high. Oh no, what do I do? Well, you grab another stamp pad, right? So there you go. It's almost perfect. Perfection is overrated though, remember that. So now for this piece, I'm going to make sure I'm in camera. You're going to want to line up the top pieces here, but you also want to be sure that when you're doing this, you fold in this bottom piece like so. Move your stamp pads in there and then slide them the other way. And then just line up, fold in this piece, and then take this one, and with your stamp pads in there, that will help give you what you need. And there you have it, a simple, simple box. Now you can add score lines so that you can fold it in. For this one, all I did was I just pressed. And then you can add your tag, and you've got an adorable little box. So let me quickly go over your projects. You made a bag and a tag and 3 cards. This one with the fun little technique. This one showed you how to cut and make more out of your stamp. And then this fun one that showed you how to do 2-step or 2nd generation stamping. Remember, if you have any questions, you can comment below, and you can email me also at MemoryINKers@gmail.com. I do not have any more of these kits available, but you can still get all of the product. So just let me know if you're interested, or you can shop right online on my Stampin' Up! Website, MemoryINKers.com. My hostess code for February 2023 is 2, T as in Tina, Q as in Queen, M as in Michael, P as in Paul, K as in Carrie, 7, D as in David. Remember, February ends celebration. So for every $50 you order at MemoryINKers.com, you're going to get to pick a free set of something, stamps, designer series papers. There's quite a bit. So go ahead and check that out. Thanks again for your patience, you guys. Thanks for letting me do this in my pajamas. And I will see you guys at the next volume. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.